Yeah, hi, this video's for Karen Pressey. It's Mr. Miles at AV Repairs. Just to let you know, I've done your laser for your jukebox. I've put in a brand new laser and a used board, a used backboard, which is the board at the bottom here. Okay, this is the board here. So yeah, that's basically fully working now. I'll just turn it up so you can hear the music there. It's fully working. You know, I've checked all the cogs and everything like that. I've had it running for 4 hours as well. Okay, just for the heat on the main spindle. Okay, because what happens sometimes when the spindles go, they usually sort of go slow. You usually get this after a couple of hours anyway. So I have tested it for that, and it all seems to be working great. So that comes with a 6-month warranty for you. On the laser. Okay, I can't do the board, I can't give you 6 months on the board, but you know, it's fairly rare for boards to go, so I don't know why your board's gone. I ain't got an idea on that at all. I've looked over the board, I can't find any faults on it. Maybe it's just a software corruption, maybe, I don't know, but it's all working now. So I'm sure you will be happy with actually getting this back, because I know it's been quite a while you've been waiting, and you know, I'm sorry for the delay, but it's getting hold of parts are impossible, and as you probably know already, you're looking at 250 quid, 300 quid for a second-hand mech, and again, they're very hard to get and very far and few, but all working. As soon as I get payment for that, that'll be in the post to you, signed for first class. Thank you very much, and let us know how you get on. Thank you.